Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to address the PHP session cookie conflict, which we received in the previous installation video. So there are two proper ways to fix it. If we either have to downgrade PHP or we have to upgrade Zabbix to a more newer version. But in our case, it's not necessary. And then in a lot of professional environments as well, you cannot always downgrade PHP because there are a lot of other services depending on your PHP version. So what we are going to do is we are going to bypass the PHP warning notifications. So I'm going to log in my Zabbix. If you remember how we set it up, you can see the warning C cookie session appears here all over the page. It's the same message all over the page, and it's not an error message in a traditional way. It is more like a warning notification, and we can easily just bypass it by editing that C cookie session file. You can see the C cookie session. So let's go ahead and edit the file and fix the issue. I'm going to clear the terminal. Sudo nano slash usr/share/zabbix /include /core /class/core /c cookie session. S is going to be capital, be careful of that. So it's c cookie session .php, and this is the configuration file. You're going to use Control F to find the session handler part. So Control F, session handler, and then you're going to Control F again and use Control M to scroll down to find the next session handler argument. So it's this one. You can see down here, session set save handler. Here we are going to remove these arguments: open, close, read, write, destroy, GC. You're just going to bring your cursor at the end of the GC argument, and you're going to just erase all of these arguments until the opening bracket after the handler, just like that. And now we are going to type in $this, true. That's it, true. And then you have to close the bracket, but in the next line you see that bracket is closing there and there's a semicolon. So that's it. Control O, which saves the file. We are going to save the file. What we did is basically we bypassed the PHP session cookie check towards the Zabbix session cookie check. So the PHP is not going to check the Zabbix cookie requirements according to the PHP version, but it's going to see if the Zabbix is working perfectly with the cookie check versions which it has already. So if the Zabbix is working, so that's fine. There's no need to spam warning messages. So sudo systemctl restart PHP 8.4-fpm. That's the version of a PHP. If you don't remember how to see your version, you can refer to the previous video, and there I showed you how you can check your PHP version. Sudo systemctl restart Zabbix server. Sudo systemctl restart Apache 2. So we just restarted all the services. We are going to refresh the page, and you can see that the cookie session warning notifications are gone. So that's it. It was just a simple fix. And if you cannot edit the PHP file yourself, although it's very simple, you can just copy the whole file, send it to artificial intelligence. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, and you can tell them to implement this change and they can do it for you. You can just replace the whole file and you can just Control O and restart the services. So here's the dashboard, and we are going to build a proper, this is the default one. We are going to build a proper server and network dashboard in the next video. You can verify your time zone and everything, and that's all. So please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and do tune in for the dashboard building in the next video.